This is how you build a PC for £353 and 38 pence. The base of every PC is A. The one I went with is very affordable.
What the heck?
With the motherboard, we didn't really need an expensive one due to it being the least important part of the build. So I just went with this Malgo X99 gaming motherboard kit, which comes with a CPU and 16 gigabits of RAM, which is really good at this price point. For the storage, I went with this basic 240 gigabits SATA SSD, which should be enough to store about 1 to 3 games, but it's defo not enough to store.
What the heck?
For the PSU, I got a 650 watt PSU from Amazon. This was because I'm not having my house.
Explode due to a force.
Last but not least, for the GPU, I went with the RX 590. This is a GPU that packs great performance without breaking the bank. After all that, our total for the build should be £353 and 38 pence or less. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.